Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to easily change a column into a row. For this example, I'll be using a list of names. Click on the first cell in your column and drag down to select all the cells you want to include. Right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy from the menu. Click on an empty cell where you want the new row to begin. Right-click, and in the dialog box that appears, check the option for Transpose. Then click OK. If you want now convert rows into columns, you can do the same. Copy your data and choose Transpose. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a column into a row in Excel. This simple trick can make organizing and analyzing your data much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.